you to my mom. Help me out with my dad and shit, cause I ain't got him. Check it.
Slowly wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the street,
Check it.
pulling against
A
the
big thank you to my mom, that she loves me and I love her back. She helped me out with my dad from the start. Now it's the end, he's only got 2 years left. Man, I love him and I know he loves me back. Because of that, man, I got my back. I love my mom, she helps me out with everything. I'm telling y'all, it's the fucking best. Man, I love her and fuck all the rest. Man, I love her and she loves me. Telling y'all, I will never leave her side until the end, until I die. Man, I don't know what I would do without ya. Man, I gotta tell ya, you're like a voucher. I vouch you to my heart, I vouch you to my soul. Man, I love you, I think I'm going out of control.
wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the street, pulling against the
She lets me do everything that I fucking want. Gives me money like every day just to have fun with my mates. She lets me do anything I want. Man, I love you, mum. I'm gonna pay it back. Wait till your birthday, man. Gonna get you all that. Man, I love you and shit. I'm telling y'all, you're the best. Love you, man. I miss my dad, and he's calling me up, saying I love you. When I'm thinking of things like this, like how the fuck did it ever come to this? When I finish talking to him, I talk to my mum. She'll tell me it's all okay. Everything's gonna work out until that day. Don't fade away, just live your life. Telling y'all, I love you, mum. K-Nos. Love you, mum. Check it.
wave after wave.